Now, the first thing you need to do if you want to make any woman to submit to you is to connect with her emotionally. You guys, my guys, because a woman tends to be emotionally connected when she is in love. You guys, my guys, and when a woman is attached to you emotionally, she will feel comfortable around you enough to submit herself to you. You guys, my guys, you know, emotional intimacy is characterized by a deep understanding and a genuine connection. You guys, my guys, and when a woman is feeling secure around you, she will submit herself enough to trust and commit herself to you because she knows that she is valued in the relationship. You guys, my guys, so make sure to connect with your woman emotionally. You guys, my guys, because if you do this, you will be able to understand a woman's feelings, and this is what women love. Women love men who can listen actively and men who can understand them and connect with them emotionally. You guys, my guys, don't forget to share activities. You know, sharing experiences in the relationship play a big role in the relationship. You guys, my guys, sharing activities plays such an essential role in the relationship because it makes you guys to connect on another level. So make sure to share experiences because you are creating memories. You are deepening the emotional connection between you and your partner. You guys, my guys, so the first thing you need to do if you want to make any woman to submit to you is to connect with her emotionally. You guys, my guys. Number 2, trust and security. Now, another thing you need to do if you want any woman to submit to you is to provide a stable trust and a stable security. You guys, my guys, because getting a woman to submit to you, your environment must be rooted on enough and stable trust and, you know, enough security. You guys, my guys, because women love to feel secure and comfortable around their men. You guys, my guys, so make sure you provide enough security to your woman if you want her to feel safe and, you know, always comfortable around you. You guys, my guys, the combination of honesty and trust plays a big role in a relationship because it makes a woman to feel like she is valued and respected in the relationship, and this will really provide a stable environment for your woman. You guys, my guys, so another thing you need to do if you want to make any woman to submit to you, make sure that you can provide enough trust and enough security for her. You guys, my guys, she will submit to you without any struggles. If you trust and secure your woman, she will feel comfortable enough to reciprocate these two values in the relationship because these two qualities are the most essential in the relationship. You guys, my guys, so another thing you should never forget if you want submission from any woman is trust and security. Number 3, mutual respect. You guys, my guys, another thing you need to consider when learning on how to make any woman submit to you is to consider mutual respect. You guys, my guys, because if a woman notices that you respect everything about her, she will submit to you automatically. You guys, my guys, because respect plays an essential role in a relationship. You guys, my guys, because when a partner knows that, you know, you value her opinions, you value everything about her, she will feel respected. You guys, my guys, so make sure you provide enough respect to your woman. You guys, my guys, she will submit to you. Respect is earned and it is not demanded. You guys, my guys, respect is shown in, you know, consistent behaviors and action. You guys, my guys, respect is not only how someone treats you, but it is also how someone reacts towards you. You guys, my guys, so another thing you need to consider on learning how to make any woman to submit to you is to consider mutual respect. You guys, my guys. Number 4, open communication. You guys, my guys, so if you want any woman to submit to you, make sure you are able to communicate clearly, honestly, and openly. You guys, my guys, because if a woman notices that you are an effective communicator, she will submit to you. You guys, my guys, communication plays a big role in the relationship to make partners to feel connected. You guys, my guys, so make sure you are able to provide enough communication for your woman if you want her to submit herself to you. You guys, my guys, communication plays a big role in the relationship. You guys, my guys, it will make a woman to express herself in the relationship without the fear of being judged. You guys, my guys, so make sure you have an open communication with your woman. She will submit to you naturally. You guys, my guys. Number 5, leadership and stability. Now, you guys, my guys, women love men who can take lead in any situation, and women love men who can, take lead in any situation that can occur. So if a woman notices that you are a confident leader, she will automatically submit to you because you are that man. You are an alpha male, and women are so obsessed with alpha males, you guys, my guys. So make sure you can provide enough leadership and stability because women love stable men too. So if you want any woman to submit to you, make sure you can provide an environment full of stability and enough, confident and leadership, you guys, my guys. If you do this, a woman will submit to you. And these are the 5 things that you should do if you want to make any woman to submit to you, you guys, my guys. So make sure to subscribe to that channel and see you next time in the next video.